Hi guys, today we're going to work on lab 8.1.7, create user accounts. So let's start this lab. Alright, the scenario is you're the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You recently added an Active Directory domain to the Corp DC server to manage network resources centrally. You now need to add user accounts in the domain. In this lab, your task is to create the following user accounts on Corp DC. So here's the accounts. And then as you create each account, use the following user account naming standards and specifications. The user account name is first name plus last name. The logon name is first initial plus last name with add corpnet.local as the domain. And this is the original password. Place the user accounts in the departmental. Alright, so we're going to, in the Hyper-V manager, we're going to click Corp server. And then here, Corp DC server. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to double click that. Alright, perfect. So tools, and then Active Directory users and computers. Go ahead and click that. Open corpnet.local. And we're going to go down to users. Oh, sorry, messed that up, not users, marketing. Marketing manager over here. Can I make this bigger? Here you go, marketing managers. So we're going to click this icon over here, create a new user in the current container. First name, Juan. Last name, Suarez. User logon name, first initial J, last name, Suarez, and then at corpnet.local. So next, password, we're going to just go ahead and copy this, paste, and then it says here must change after the first logon, so just make sure that's checked right there. Click next, perfect, click finish. Next one is Susan Smith, permanent sales employee. So we're going to go down to sales, permanent sales employee. Again, click this icon, create a new user. Susan, last name Smith, S. Smith. Next. Password, same one as last time, so just paste, next, finish, and then Mark Burns, sales manager. Again, create a new user icon. Mark, last name Burns, user logon, M Burns. Next, paste the password, next, finish, and then temporary sales employee, Bori Chan. So we're going to go to temp sales, new user, Bori Chan, user logon name, B Chan. Next, paste, next, finish. Alright. Now we've done that, so configure the following for the temporary sales employee. So this last one that we did, Bori Chan. Limit the logon hours to allow logon only from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Set the user account to expire on December 31st of the current year. So we're going to right click, properties, and then go down to account and click logon hours. We're going to click logon deny just to clear all of this out, and then highlight from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. So 8 Monday through Friday till 5, right? 8 right here, 5 right here, perfect. Logon permitted, so we'll highlight just that time that's permitted. Click OK. Click and then the account expires, let's not forget that, December 31st of the current year. So we're gonna go to December 31st, click apply, okay, and then we're just gonna click check answers, and everything's perfect. All right, you guys are all done with this app.